Hey, amigos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the rich and delicious world of Spanish cuisine. But we're not talking about the usual suspects like paella or tapas. No, today we're exploring a hidden gem, a dessert that's as exquisite as it is mysterious: Crema Catalana. Before we delve into the unknown facts about Crema Catalana, let's get to know this dessert a bit better. The basics of Crema Catalana. Crema Catalana is often likened to its French cuisine, crème brûlée, but it's uniquely Catalan. It's a luscious custard dessert with a caramelized sugar crust on top. The dish dates back centuries, but it's still enjoyed in modern-day Spain. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's uncover some lesser-known facts about this Spanish delight. Historical origins. Crema Catalana's origins are shrouded in history. Some believe it was influenced by the ancient Romans, while others say it was created by Catalan nuns in the Middle Ages. Regardless of its true origin, it has become an integral part of Catalan cuisine. The exact origin may be unclear, but one thing's for sure: this dessert has stood the test of time. The unique flavors. Crema Catalana's flavor profile is more complex than you might think. It's not just a simple custard. The infusion of lemon or orange zest and cinnamon gives it a distinctive Mediterranean flair. These subtle flavors add depth to the dessert, making it a true sensory experience. St. Joseph's Day tradition. Crema Catalana has a special day dedicated to it. In Catalonia, people celebrate St. Joseph's Day on March 19th by indulging in Crema Catalana. It's even common to make a wish while enjoying this dessert. What a sweet tradition, literally. Crema versus crème brûlée. Crema Catalana often gets compared to crème brûlée, but they're not quite the same. Crema Catalana typically uses cornstarch or flour as a thickening agent, while crème brûlée relies on egg yolks. This subtle difference in texture sets them apart. So, if you're a dessert connoisseur, you'll appreciate these distinctions. The Catalans' passion for Crema Catalana. Crema Catalana isn't just a dessert, it's a symbol of Catalan pride and identity. Catalans have a deep love for their custard, and it's a point of cultural pride. This dessert represents the rich history and unique culture of Catalonia. It's more than just a dessert, it's a part of their heritage. The caramelized sugar artistry. The art of caramelizing the sugar on top of Crema Catalana is a skill in itself. Chefs take great pride in achieving the perfect burnt sugar crust, known as crema cremata. It's all about precision and timing to get that satisfying crack when you tap it with a spoon. It's like a culinary masterpiece on your plate. Crema Catalana variations. Crema Catalana has evolved over the years, giving rise to various regional and modern interpretations. Some people add unique flavors like coffee, chocolate, or even fruit. It's a dessert that's open to creative experimentation. Don't be surprised if you encounter surprising twists on this classic dessert. International influence. Crema Catalana's influence has extended beyond Spain's borders. In fact, it's believed to have inspired the creation of other similar desserts worldwide, including the famous Brazilian dessert, quindim. Crema Catalana's deliciousness knows no bounds. And there you have it, amigos, some lesser-known facts about the delightful Spanish Crema Catalana. It's a dessert that's not only rich in flavor but also steeped in history and tradition. So, the next time you find yourself in Catalonia or at a Spanish restaurant, don't forget to give this hidden gem a try. Who knows, you might just make a wish on St. Joseph's Day. If you enjoyed learning about Crema Catalana, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious content. And as always, leave your thoughts and comments down below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring the world of food and discovering the hidden stories behind your favorite dishes.